If you want to remove a payment method from your Skyscanner account, follow these simple steps to ensure your payment information is updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Skyscanner website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile section, often represented by your name or an icon. Step 3. Find payment methods. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Payment Methods or Billing Information. Click on this option to view saved payment methods. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Identify the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option next to it to edit or delete the payment method. Step 5. Confirm removal. Click on the Delete or Remove option and confirm your choice when prompted. This will ensure that the payment method is successfully removed from your account. After completing these steps, your payment method will be removed from Skyscanner. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for assistance.